Hello there! Have you ever pondered what your kidneys are doing as you navigate through your daily life? These remarkable organs are nothing short of more than just filters. They work as your body's little chemical laboratories, constantly busy balancing fluid levels and ensuring the proper disposal of waste to maintain your overall well-being. You can view your kidneys as your personal sanitation crew. Every moment they function, they're diligently processing about 25% of the blood that passes through them, actively filtering out toxins and unnecessary water which your body is no longer required. This intricate process is absolutely essential for maintaining the balance of electrolytes such as sodium and potassium within the body. These essential electrolytes are crucial for multiple functions, including muscle contraction and the reliable communication of signals within the nervous system. Beyond simply being role players in bodily functions, your kidneys contribute to hormone production as well. One crucial hormone they uniquely produce is erythropoietin, which communicates with your bone marrow to commence the production of red blood cells. This process is vital for ensuring that your body has sufficient blood flow, since red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen through the arteries and veins. Furthermore, your kidneys play a significant role in the production of other hormones, including vitamin D. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to a weakened immune system, poor bone health, and an increased risk of developing conditions such as osteoporosis. Furthermore, they assist in maintaining the proper blood pressure levels within the body. Taking care of your kidneys can serve as an excellent form of self-care. Consuming ample amounts of water, opting for a balanced diet, and keeping situations such as diabetes and high blood pressure well taken care of are all ways to effectively support these crucial organs. I appreciate your interest in delving deeper into understanding the intricate function of your kidneys. It is a refreshing perspective to recognize the significance of these organs, which play an essential role in ensuring your body can work efficiently. If you found this message thought-provoking, be sure to remain tuned for additional advice on how your body operates in the simplest of terms.